Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
The Adventure of Mark. Mark was an adventurous boy who lived in a small town nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams. His days were filled with endless curiosity and a thirst for exploration. Every afternoon, after finishing his homework, Mark would grab his backpack and set off into the countryside. One sunny day, Mark decided to hike up to Eagle Peak, a towering hill that overlooked the town. With his loyal dog, Max, trotting beside him, Mark navigated winding trails lined with wildflowers and ancient oak trees. As they ascended, the air grew cooler, and the view became more breathtaking. At the summit, Mark and Max stood in awe. The town sprawled below like a patchwork quilt, with rooftops gleaming in the golden sunlight. Beyond, lush green fields stretched to the horizon, and distant mountains loomed like sleeping giants. But something caught Mark's eye, a glimmering object half buried in a cluster of rocks. Curiosity piqued, he carefully unearthed it. It was an old, weathered map with faded markings and a cryptic message scribbled in the corner: "Fortune awaits those who dare." Excited by the mystery, Mark decided to follow the map. With Max eagerly leading the way, they descended Eagle Peak and ventured into the dense forest at its base. They crossed babbling brooks, navigated through thickets, and climbed over fallen logs, each step bringing them closer to the unknown. Hours passed, and just as the sun dipped below the horizon, Mark stumbled upon an ancient cave hidden among towering cliffs. The entrance was adorned with moss-covered stones, and a faint light flickered from within. Heart racing with anticipation, Mark entered cautiously, with Max at his side. Inside, the cave opened into a vast chamber illuminated by shimmering crystals embedded in the walls. In the center, atop a stone pedestal, rested a small wooden chest adorned with intricate carvings. Mark approached it cautiously, his breath catching in excitement. With trembling hands, he lifted the lid. Inside, nestled among velvet-lined compartments, were treasures beyond his wildest dreams: gleaming gemstones, ancient coins, and a shimmering golden artifact that seemed to pulse with a mysterious energy. Overwhelmed with joy and disbelief, Mark knew he had stumbled upon something extraordinary. He carefully gathered the treasures into his backpack, making sure not to disturb the cave's tranquility. As he exited, the first rays of dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and orange, casting a magical glow over the landscape. With Max by his side and the weight of newfound riches on his shoulders, Mark made his way back home. He knew that this adventure would forever be etched in his memory, a testament to courage, curiosity, and the endless possibilities that awaited those who dared to explore.